Kerala is well known for its authentic seafood recipes. Today I am making one of my favorites, that is shrimp and mango with drumstick curry. To start with, I've added some coconut oil and added some mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds and curry leaves into that. I've also added some dry red chilies along with some ginger and some green chilies into it. Roast this until all the flavors comes out. Then I'm going to add drumsticks. I'm using frozen drumstick. If you can get fresh ones, it's even better. I'm also adding some green mangoes. Adjust the quantity of the mangoes depending upon how sour it is. Now I'm going to add some shallot onions. I'm also using frozen ones here. If you get fresh ones, it's better. If you don't get shallot onions at all, you can replace it with normal onions. Add a pinch of salt at this point and then cook this mixture for some time. Now I'm going to add cleaned shrimp and give it a bit of a stir fry until the water comes out of the shrimp. Now for the gravy, I've taken 1 cup of coconut and ground that into a coarse paste along with chili powder, coriander powder, fenugreek powder and turmeric powder. As I've ground the coconut without water, I'm also adding some water into this mixture. This is just enough water for the shrimps to get cooked. Bring the whole mixture to boil. Close the pot with a lid and simmer the heat and cook for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Adjust salt at this stage and also make sure the shrimp and the drumsticks are nicely cooked. Once the water is completely evaporated, we can turn the heat off. Now our yummy shrimp mango curry is ready to be served. If you like this recipe, please try it and let me know your feedback. Also, please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more recipes. Thank you.